Naniniwala ako sa bawat isa na kakayahan talaga nila ever since. Ako po yung fan talaga ng mga bawat isa nila.
Josh supports his brothers. He believes in their abilities. He is a fan of each of them. That's what he said here. I mean, he's such a supportive human being. I love Josh. I love our Mahalima. I mean, they are so supportive. Josh is still right at the venue, as you guys can see. They already arrived on TNT League. They look so good. They're taking photos.
Moving lang po tayo, moving! Josh! Moving ko, Josh!